Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 9T and let me share with you how to activate the image stabilization on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app and now we have to change to the video mode. So simply tap on the video, and since you can see this red circle inside the shutter button, we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner, so simply tap on it. Now let's tap on the settings, and as you can see, actually on the very first position we've got image stabilization option, which is right now turned off. In order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher like that, and from now on your device will apply this option, and it will record videos which will be not as shaky as they will be without this option. Obviously you can turn it off just by tapping on this option again, on the switcher again, but I highly recommend to let it turned on. So actually that's all. This is how to activate the image stabilization in your Xiaomi Mi 9T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.